Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to rotate view in FreeCAD. So for example, we have here this one object. If we would like to rotate the view, we have here some options. First one option is based on this one dice. You can click on the front to change position of the view, or you can select another arrows, for example left arrow, then the position of our object will be changed. So you can rotate the view and use the arrows or use the dice to change position of it. So it was the first method. The second method is based on your mouse. You can press and hold middle button on the mouse, and then you need to press and hold right mouse button on the mouse. You will be able to change position of the view. So it is a really simple method to do it. Of course, you need to practice this method to do it correctly, but it is a really great method that I recommend you to use. And the last method is really simple too. I recommend you to press and hold shift on your keyboard, and then you need to press and hold right mouse button on the mouse, and you will be able to rotate the view. So it is a really simple method that I recommend you to check. It may be really useful in your projects. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.